Our second collection, Wagara, is a celebration of a traditional Japanese pattern. Perhaps some of you have gone to Japan. Perhaps some of you have never been to Japan. But you may be able to recognize some of the patterns because these are very iconic traditional patterns that you might see on kimono and other textiles. So these 8 designs are inspired by the bright color and patterns of Wagara. Oftentimes on kimono fabric or other textiles, you may not see those very vibrant colors. But because being Japanese American artist, and I love just the vibrant colors and infusion of different palette, I love and admire the tradition of Japan. And in the form of Furoshiki, I was able to bring my memories, my inspirations to you. So we have been working on these prints for almost 9 months, and we are so happy to be able to share these prints with the world. I hope you like them just as we do.